Hello, welcome to Cornbread Wisdom. I'm Veronica Loud. I don't like to have things just laying about. I like everything in its own place, so I can find it when I need it. We used this old coat rack in our laundry area to hang up frequently used items. To get our yardstick out of the way, yet keep it handy, I had my husband put a nail in the door of our water heater cabinet, and then drill a hole at one end of the yardstick. Now the yardstick can hang where it can be seen and easily accessed. To get our collapsible step stool off the ground, we used a command hook. Command hooks come in a variety of sizes and styles to fit your needs. We found one with a long hook to support the folded stool. Start by applying the special adhesive strip to the back of the hook assembly. Peel off the red printed side, press it against the back of the hook support, and smooth it out. Next, peel off the black printed side, and you are ready to apply the hook to the desired surface. Locate the spot where you want the hook to be and press it into place. Once you have it where you want it, lift straight up on the hook to remove it from the support. Then firmly press and hold the hook support to the surface for 30 seconds to form a tight yet removable bond. Slide the hook back onto the support and you're done. No more tripping over the step stool. It's still available at a moment's notice, but has somewhere to hang when it's not in use. With just a little effort and a few tricks, you can organize and declutter your home. Thanks for watching.